Hey,
what's up, man?
Again, welcome to the.
Good to see you.
Welcome to the hills.
Oh, that's bright. It's very bright. Let's turn that down. Let's turn that right down. Dudes, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm not going to spend too long talking to you right now. I'll just fill you in a little bit. I've driven 4 hours down country from Taupo, and I've met up with my buddy Nick, who's been in at least one video. And he's talked me into, he was going to come up and we were going to do some of my water, but I've done it a million times, and he presented an interesting opportunity to climb a huge mountain into a valley, and by all accounts, the photos I've seen, it looks like pretty cool water. So anyway, that's what we're up to. We're in the rooftop tents tonight, waking up bright and early, climbing over a hill, down the other side, and hopefully having enough energy to catch fish when we get down there. So we'll see you in the morning. Oh yeah. Damn. Oh, thank you, buddy. Mate. Pleasure. Boom. Chin chin. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm not sure if you can see me there, but it's just going past 6 AM. We've been up since 5, and we're just about ready to hit the road up and over, down into hopefully some excellent fishing. It's going to be a lot of effort, so it better be. Alright, I'll keep you posted. Let's do this. Yeah. Alright, we're like 30 minutes maybe. What do you reckon, we'll be going for 30 minutes? 20?
45, bro.
45. Time's flying when you're having fun. And it's just been, hasn't been too bad. It's definitely up. Some steeper stuff to begin with. Now it's just continuously nice and steady up. Already had one big D layer. I'm about due for another one. But that would leave me layerless. But yeah, I'll see how I feel when we get to the top of this thing. Oh. Hey, there's a bit of reception here. Yeah. So there's a bit of a ridge here. You can see blue skyline. R34. But I think it's a false sense of security. I don't think it's the top. Whew. We must be getting close to an hour, and this camera won't be doing it justice. That's the. So after like 40 minutes longer than we thought, we're at the top of the freaking hill. Just keep going and going and going. But we're hopefully about to start making our way down the other side, but there's still maybe 3 hours, up to 3 hours to go. We'll see. Whee.
If fish lived on top of hills, bro, we'd
be in them.
We'd be crashing it.
So is that the valley?
Down here, yeah.
Are we going down this valley, or?
No, we're going over to the corner.
So we're going to go back up that thing?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, bro.
Just brill.
Elevation drop.
Yeah, we're going straight down. See at the bottom.
Yeah, bro. Dolphin dive. Fish. There's actually no fish here at all. So
No?
I tell you that.
Wrong river?
Yeah, fine.
So, man, I'm buggered, and we have just walked down the biggest hill I've ever walked down in my life. And to begin with, we walked up and over that hill. I'm absolutely blasted, rooted. But we finally see the river. It looks so good. I'll get the main camera out shortly. But straight away I can see like a nice 4-pound brown, which I think we're probably going to try catch. Right where you'd expect him, I can see him.
Like, direct line between me and that really pale rock, underwater rock.
Left of the pale rock.
Yeah.
So he's upstream of the big rock. And There's like 2 smaller orange rocks and he's sort of sitting in between those. Pretty cool start. Saw a fish straight away, the first likely looking piece of water that we could see into. Straight away saw a fish, a couple of casts to get the fly in the right spot, and fish didn't hesitate. Did a huge backflip, which was pretty cool, and spit the fly, or broke it off, I'm not sure. But yeah, very cool, very cool.
Chase the dry.
Oh!
My buena. Wow, lucky for you, sir.
He tried to eat the dry, but he just like squished it out of his mouth.
Swoosh you. Well, how about that other fish that's hanging out up there? Looks solid, man.
Alright, so we've seen three nice fish actually. First one tried to eat the dry, had a little tiny bit of drag and he missed it, kind of like pushed it out of his mouth. And then the second one up here ate the fly, ate the nymph, and ping, fly's gone, bugger. Alright, so a relatively eventful yet uneventful day, apart from the highlight, which was the hike in. That was just fabulous. Had our opportunities today. We saw 4 fish, we casted all of them, and they all ate or tried to eat the fly. 2 kind of missed and 2 short connection, but still really cool. Beautiful water, beautiful place, really super happy to be here. But so anyway, it's, what is the time, like 4? 4:30? It's 4:30 now. We've run out of fishable water upstream and we want to rest the fish that we hassled today a little bit downstream, so we pretty much killed it for the afternoon. Oh, there's one spot down here we might go have a look at, but pretty much killed it for the afternoon. Gonna set up camp, or there is a hut over here, but it's got, we think they're dock workers in there. They're doing trail maintenance, and so they might be leaving. If a helicopter turns up, they'll be leaving, so we might jump in the hut. Otherwise, we've got this really cool mossy campsite that we'll throw some tents up in and have a good old time. But first task, it's 4:30, but we're going to have a coffee anyway, and then it'll be tents, firewood, and then dinner.
Rude, really.
Cheers, boss.
Cheers.
So Nick is actually a jeweler, and he's doing some really cool things, but one really cool thing that I hugely appreciate is he just made this hip flask for me. He's got my logo on there, I suppose, my initials, and he does some amazing stuff which we'll talk about a bit later.
Oh, we're away.
Oh, that's hot water on me. It's on me. I have to put this on the ground because that's really hot.
Ooh, big move. Put more water in late in the game.
Paid off?
Don't know. Not sure what I'm looking at. I'm looking at re-high.
This isn't too bad. The fire's going good, bro.
I've never eaten in this meal before, so I don't have anything to compare it to. The non-dehy. So what is this smoky barbecue what?
Great question. Anyway, boys and girls, it is nearly time for bed. Just some fire sitting, watching, dodging smoke, all that good stuff. And then we'll be waking up again bright and early, and we need revenge obviously on those 4 fish we missed. And yeah, we've had a bit of a look upstream. We're not sure how far we can actually go that way. So I think the plan in the morning is to go way downstream, fish some fresh water, and then we'll be fishing through the little bit of water that we fished today. But yeah, so stick around, stay tuned, and I'm confident, I'm positive, and I think we're going to get some very nice fish tomorrow.
Yep, big fish. $9.40. Alright, we've walked downstream for about an hour 10, and then we're going to start our way back up. We did see a couple of fish on the way down, absolutely amazing looking fish, and so hopefully we can pick off a few on the way up. Oh yeah, there's one really deep on the bottom down there.
Oh yeah.
Tongariro styles.
I got a neck injury looking for you, right?
Oh, yep.
Got it.
Oh! Ah, I hooked him. It all bust off right there.
Oh my god, what?
Wasn't even much pressure, just came straight. But just... Oh.
I just lost a fish down there. It was super deep. Had a big bushy dry, and like maybe 1.6 meter dropper, then another little dropper off the bottom of that. Big heavy herring copper, then a smaller herring copper. I hooked it, but it's like the second knot I've had slip. Not slip, it's just, I don't know if my tippet's old. It's not old, it's relatively new. The leader broke a few times. It's a brand new leader. But anyway, we'll get there. Alright, sick. That's actually my first fish of the season. Really cool fish. Came up, ate a little Adam's parachute. Thanks to old Nick here for bringing me in. Are you miles away too fast? Leave me hanging. And yeah, super stoked. Really cool. And there's 2 big browns just sitting up there. So we're gonna go try to catch them. Fish, Nick, equals happy Nick.
What do I need to do?
I'll get your flies in front of it. When he eats the dry fly, set the hook, and then just ride it out. It'll be fine. Rock and roll. Alright, we did it. We got a fish each. There's still a little bit more water to go before we get back to the campsite, and maybe a bit more above that, but it depends on what we're going to do. We've got a couple of options this afternoon. One is to walk out a little bit, a couple hours, get a head start on the walk out tomorrow, or the other is to camp here, wake up early and do the very vertical way back out. Or there's one other option that might just pan out. Alright ladies and dudes, so we're finished fishing for now. We still might be doing some more, but before we do that, before we get on to the next part, let me tell you about something. So Nick here, this fella, who I've been fishing with for the last couple of days, starting a business. It's pretty cool, and he's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Stream side. Can you see that, bro?
Yeah, I can actually.
Nice. Alright, I'm a jeweler, and obviously fly fishing is pretty much the front of my mind. My workmate and I have started Streamside, which is kind of fly fishing meets jewellery, custom engraving on fly reels, inlays. We've gone a bit over the top, we've got gold inlays, all sorts of fun things, but yeah, the main focus is high-end quality engraving, and we've got picked up a few cool people along the way. But it's an extension to our existing business, which is jewellery making, custom jewellery, which we've been doing for about 10 years, so it's pretty exciting. Yeah,
pretty cool, I think, because I think if you got granddad's old reel or something sitting in the cupboard that you don't actually use and it's just sitting there doing something with, you can personalize it, customize it, bling it, if you will, and you got something you could then display or use or whatever. I think it's pretty cool idea, and I've seen some of the stuff. It looks amazing, and yeah, so bling your reel. Nick's website will be linked in the description below. If you go there, check all that out, you'll be able to find all the options, make contact, and figure out something really cool for yourself or a gift for someone. And so to kick things off for Nick and his new business, we're going to do a little bit of a giveaway. Here's the detail. Details.
Who's got the details? So if you find us on Instagram, streamside_NZ, we're going to do a giveaway by the end of this month, October, with some goodies. So jump on there, follow us on Instagram, We'll be pulling a random draw at the end of October, and yeah, the lucky winner will get some very nice bits and pieces. So,
are you going to tell us what they are or no?
nah.
Okay. Oh, it's a surprizzle. It's a surprizzle. I don't even know what the stuff is, but I think I'm going to throw something in there too as well. So I'll find something to put in there and spice it up a little. All the stuff will be linked in the description. Hopefully this all made sense. And yeah, on with the video, which may or may not be coming to an end. We're either going to go fishing some more, or that third option for getting out of here I mentioned earlier is about to happen.